Sample problem on spiral curves. So spiral curve is a transition length of 80 meters. If the radius is 200 meters and the angle of intersection of the two tangents is 30 degrees, determine the external distance. So sinulat na natin dito sa gilid yung mga given. So we have the transition length, which is 80 meters, yun yung LC. And then we have the radius, which is 200 meters. So yung circular na curve lang naman yung may radius. So that's 200 meters. And then I, which is the intersection of the two tangents, we have 30 degrees. Ang pinapanap sa atin dito is yung ES. So sinulat na natin dito yung equation ng ES. We have RC plus XC over 4. Second, I over 2 minus RC, where yung XC natin is just expressed as LC squared divided by 6RC. So lahat ng mga parameters dito, given naman ng mga values dito, no? So we have RC, we have 200 meters. XC is ito no equation. So we have LC and RC given, then I is also given. So madali lang yung sample problem na to, no? So evaluate lang natin yung each yung mga equations natin dito. We'll start with XC. So si XC, gagawin lang natin na 80 squared. Kasi yan yung LC, and then we have 6 times 200. So, meter squared divided by meter. So, magkakancel yung isang meter dyan. Meter lang yung matitira. So, dito tayo sa calculator natin. That's 80 squared divided by 6 times 200. 5.33 meters. So, yun yung value ng XC natin. Which is, yun yung gagamitin natin dito sa XC pagkuha dun sa external distance natin na SC. So, dito na lang sa gilid yung SC natin, no? So we have RC, that's 200, plus XC natin is 5.33 divided by 4 times second, I over 2 natin is 15, di ba? Kasi 30 yung external, hindi yung angle of intersection natin. So 30, magiging 15 na to, no? Kasi 30 divided by 2, that's 15 degrees. Minus 200 meters ulit. Okay? So, we have ES. Evaluate natin dito sa calculator natin. That's 200 plus, pwede natin gawing answer agad, no? Divided by 4. Tapos, yan, 200.33. Divide na natin ng cosine, no? Kasi walang second dito sa calculator natin. So, that's divided by cosine of 15 degrees. And then, you have 208 minus 200 na radius is 8.43. Okay, so that's 8.43 meters. So, ito na ngayon yung final answer natin, external distance. So, madali lang, no? Kasi given lang naman yung mga kailangan natin ng mga parameters para ma-solve siya, okay? So, yun lang, no? Para lang ma-demonstrate natin kung paano gamitin yung equation ng external distance, okay? So, I think yun na yun, no? Para sa sample problem na to, madali lang, no? So, again, thank you ulit for watching, and see you sa mga next na sample problems natin. Tune in lang kayo dito para sa mga sample problems natin on curves and other engineering related na mga subjects. Again, thank you.